What I have done in this playlist, I have explained the text and given correct pronunciation. And if you want the solution of grammar portion, please go to my playlist. You will get your answer. So today we are going to start the introduction lesson of Auslander book. Die Landkarte. Die Landkarte. The map. Hier ist ein Karte. Here is a map. Das ist eine Landkarte von Europa. This is a map of Europe. Here is Deutschland. Here is Germany. Dort ist Frankreich. There is France. Frankreich means France. Deutschland, Germany. Frankreich liegt in Westeuropa. France is in West Europe. Here the verb liegt is basically the verb liegen, which means located. Okay, so Frankreich liegt in West Europa means France is located in West Europe. Und Deutschland liegt in Mitteleuropa. And Germany is in Central Europe. Know one thing, ki the verb liegt, when if you are seeing this verb in any sentence, so we can say in both way. Like in the sentence, Deutschland liegt in Mitteleuropa. So we can say Germany is in Central Europe, or we can also say Germany is located in Central Europe. Okay, next. Here is Ungarn. Ungarn means Hungary. Here is Hungary. Ungarn liegt in Osteuropa. Hungary is located in Eastern Europe. Osteuropa means Eastern. Sweden und Norwegian liegen in Nordeuropa. Sweden and Norway are located in North Europe. Spanian, Spain, Italian, Italy und Griechenland, Greek, liegen in Südeuropa, are located in South Europe. Liegt Denmark in North Europa? Is Denmark located in North Europe? Ja, Denmark liegt in Nordeuropa. Yes, Denmark located in Northern Europe. Liegt Portugal auch in Nordeuropa? Is Portugal also in Northern Europe? Nein, Portugal liegt in Südeuropa. No, Portugal located in South Europe. I mean Southern Europe. Portugal liegt nicht in Nordeuropa. Portugal isn't located in North Europe, sondern but in Südeuropa, but in South Europe. Liegt Frankreich in Südeuropa? Is France in South Europe? Liegt Italien in Nordeuropa? Is Italy in North Europe? Liegt Finland in Nordeuropa? Is Finland in North Europe, or is Finland located in Northern Europe? Wo liegen Spanien? Where is Spain located? Or we can also say, where is Spain? Spanien liegt in Südeuropa. Spain is located in Southern Europe. Wo liegen Italien und Griechenland? Where are Italy and Greece located? München liegt in Deutschland. Munich is located in Germany. Wo liegt Paris. Where is Paris located? Wo liegt London? Where is London located? Wo liegt Rome? Where is Rome located? Japan, Andean und Pakistan liegen in ASEAN. Japan, India and Pakistan located in Asia or are in Asia. Egyptian liegt in Africa. Egypt is in Africa. Canada und Argentinien liegen in America. Canada and Argentina are located in America. Canada liegt in North America. Canada is in Northern America. Und Argentinien liegt in Südamerika. And Argentina is located in South America, Southern America. Wo liegt Finland? Where is Finland located? Finland liegt in Europa. Finland is in Europe. Wo liegt Sydney? Where is Sydney located? Sydney liegt in Australia. Sydney liegt in Australian. Sydney is located in Australia. Wo liegt Morocco? Where is Morocco located? Wo liegt China? Where is China located? Wo liegt Brazilian? Where is Brazil located? Wo liegt Andean? Where is India located? Wo liegt Calcutta? Where is Kolkata located? Calcutta liegt in Andean. Kolkata is located in India. Wo liegt Copenhagen? Where is Copenhagen located? Wo liegt Moscow? Where is Moscow located? Wo liegen Rom und Mailand? Where are Rome and Milan? Rome und Mailand liegen in Italian. Rome and Milan are located in Italy. Wo liegen Madrid und Barcelona? Where are Madrid and Barcelona located? Wo liegen Frankfurt und München? Where are Frankfurt and Munich located? Liegt Madrid in Spanien? Is Madrid located in Spain? Yes. Madrid liegt in Spanien. Madrid is in Spain. Liegt Köln in Deutschland? Is Cologne located in Germany? Liegt Cairo in Egypt? Is Cairo located in Egypt? Liegt Brussels in Belgium? Is Brussels located in Belgium? Liegt Tokyo in Japan? Is Tokyo located in Japan? Liegt Wien in Österreich? Wien means Vienna. Is Vienna located in Austria? Bonn ist eine Stadt. Bonn is a city. Paris ist auch eine Stadt. Paris is also a city. Bonn und Paris sind Städte. Bonn and Paris are cities. Deutschland ist ein Land. Germany is a country. Poland ist auch ein Land. Poland is also a country. Deutschland und Polen sind Länder. Germany and Poland are countries. Länder, countries, plural, and Land, country, singular. Amerika ist ein Kontinent. America is a continent. Australian ist auch ein Kontinent. Australia is also a continent. Amerika und Australien sind Kontinente. America and Australia are continents. So thank you very much. If you want to see the solution of grammar portion of every lesson, please go to my playlist and you will get your answer. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends to help them. Thank you.